In today's unpredictable world, being prepared isn't just a choice, it's a necessity. Whether facing natural disasters, unexpected emergencies, or daily challenges, having the right mindset and skills can make all the difference. In this video, we'll explore essential survival strategies to help you and your loved ones stay safe and resilient in any situation. Preparedness is about anticipating potential threats and taking proactive steps to mitigate them. It's not about living in fear, but empowering yourself with knowledge and resources. The prepping process starts with assessment. Identify risks specific to your region, such as hurricanes, earthquakes, or floods. Next, develop a comprehensive plan that includes evacuation routes, communication strategies, and emergency contacts. Don't forget to stockpile essentials like non-perishable food, clean water, and medical supplies to sustain you during emergencies. On a daily basis, stay situationally aware of your surroundings and potential hazards. Learn basic skills like first aid, fire starting, and navigation without electronic devices. Keep emergency kits in your home, car, and workplace, tailored to your specific needs. Involve your family. Teach them about emergency procedures and make sure everyone knows their roles. Practice evacuation and emergency scenarios regularly to build confidence and efficiency. Most importantly, maintain a calm mindset. Emergencies require sound decisions, and being flexible allows you to adapt plans as situations evolve. Preparedness is a journey. By assessing risks, planning effectively, and equipping yourself with skills and resources, you can navigate emergencies confidently. Start your preparedness journey today. Assess risks, create a plan, and involve your family in drills. Equip yourself to face any challenge head-on. The best time to prepare is now. Stay safe, stay prepared.